Hey there, fellow gamers. Today is an epic day because we're diving deep into a PC build that's basically the superhero of gaming rigs. Oh, let's get ready for Ryzen Rumble! So check this out. We've got the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G at the heart of it all. This beast has 8 cores, clocking at 3.8 GHz. It's like having a turbo boost for your gaming adventures. And of course, we've got the Asus Prime B450M motherboard holding it all together. It's like the superhero base that keeps everything in check and ready for action. This build not only delivers rock-solid stability but also provides a platform for future upgrades. The sleek and compact design of the motherboard perfectly complements the theme of this build. Next up, speed meets storage with a Kingston 960GB SSD and a 16GB DDR4-3200 Kingston RAM. Say goodbye to loading screens and hello to smooth gaming bliss. Now, let's talk graphics. The MSI GTX 1660 Super with 6GB of GDDR6 DRAM and a 192-bit memory interface, you can push the boundaries of visual fidelity and can immerse yourself in stunning gaming environments. To keep this powerhouse running smoothly, we've got the Silverstone Strider 700-watt power supply. It's like the unsung hero in the background, making sure everything gets the juice it needs. And feast your eyes on the Frontier Hermes HE19A Black ATX case. It's not just a case, it's a work of art that showcases your rig while keeping things cool and organized. It's like the VIP lounge for your components. To complete this gaming symphony, we've got the AOC 27G2SP Full HD IPS gaming monitor with a 1 millisecond response time and 165 Hz refresh rate. It's like the front row ticket to gaming nirvana. There you have it. This PC isn't just a bunch of components. It's a gaming revolution. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Remember to hit that button. Subscribe for more tech goodness. And until next time, happy gaming, my friend.